The EV3 programming software is used to write programs and load them onto the robot. Open the programming software on your PC or Mac computer by selecting LEGO Mindstorms Education EV3 from the Start menu or dock, or double-clicking it in your Programs or Applications folder. Education editions of the EV3 programming software come with the Robot Educator module, which includes EV3 robot building instructions for both the general-purpose driving base and its sensor attachments. To begin programming, use File, New Project, Program, or simply click the plus button in the Project tabs bar. Projects can contain multiple programs, in addition to sensor logs, graphs, and custom command sequences called MyBlocks. However, most projects will contain only a single program named Program. The basics of programming in the EV3 software are: take a block from the palette at the bottom of the screen and drop it to the right of the previous block so they link up. Each block represents a command, and the commands are issued in order down the links. Blocks link automatically when placed close to each other, or you can link them manually by clicking and dragging the linking wires. The large box in the bottom left of each block is its mode setting. This setting can change things like whether a move block just turns motors on, or turns them on, goes for a certain number of rotation, then turns them off. Specifics of each command, such as how many rotations the robot should move, are configured through the settings along the bottom of the block in the program. Available settings can change depending on the mode. Once your program is done, save your project by using the File menu, Save Project, or Save Project As commands. Give your project a name that will help you remember what it does. Remember that your program is still named Program within the project unless you change it. To run the program, make sure the robot is turned on and plugged into your computer by USB. Then click the Download button in the lower right corner of the screen to send the program to the robot. Once the program is downloaded, you can run it on the EV3 by using the directional buttons to navigate to the File Navigation tab, then selecting the project and the program. You can also press the Play button in the corner of the software to download and immediately run the program while the robot is still plugged in. Getting around a program is easy. You can give yourself more space by closing the Content Editor panel on the right. If your program reaches off the end of the screen, small arrows will appear along the edges. Click the arrows to scroll, or you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the camera around yourself. If your program is very long, you can use the magnifying glass controls in the top right corner of the window to zoom in or out of your program. Finally, you can write notes in your program by using the Comment tool. Simply click the Comment tool, then click in the program area to leave a comment. Comments can serve as labels or reminders to yourself for later. There are a lot of things we haven't covered in this video. The EV3 programming software is deep and there's a lot you can do with it. However, by mastering these basic concepts, you will have a solid foundation to build on as you continue to learn and explore with the LEGO Mindstorms EV3 system.